Follow these steps to fix Instagram story not uploading. First, check the server status of Instagram. To do that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Down Detector. Now in the search box, type in Instagram and then search for it. Now you have to check whether there are some outages on Instagram or not. If that's the case, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, click on the option Cellular Data. In case you are using cellular data and trying to upload the story, you have to customize this setting. So click on this option Show All. Make sure you have enabled for the option of Instagram. If you haven't enabled for the option of Instagram, just enable it. Then you can hit back. Now what you can do is launch your Instagram, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option Logout, click on Logout. Provide your credentials again and log in back. If none of these solutions work, completely delete your Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on it. Click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Then you can launch it, provide your credentials, log into your account, and now you can try to upload a story. Your problem will be fixed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Instagram story not uploading issue. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.